Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today we are learning ayah number 117. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. بديع السماوات والأرض وإذا قضى أمرا فإنما يقول له كن فيكون. Makhraj of ba is your lips only. So, and for fatha, open your jaws. The 2 counts long. Why? Because this is a natural mud. Whenever you find ya with sukoon and you find fatha before it, you have to make it 2 haraka long sound. Badi'us. And for ain, it should be from your throat very clearly. For dhamma, circle your lips well, and then it is attached with seen, rus, and seen will get safi, seen will get rukawa, and safi is to make a snaky sound, and for rukawa you have to give a flow of sound. Rus, it will go on. The sound should flow. Sa, and when there is fatha, the fatha is very short. Sa, ma, 2 counts long. Wa, 2 counts long. Samawati, T is very short sound, and ta is a strong letter, so it should be very strong. There shouldn't be hums when they add. It is mutaharika. And when there is fatha the makasra, it shouldn't be with hums. It is very strong letter. T. Well, wow is attached with lam. Give tawassut. Well, ar, ar. Hamza is a strong letter. For fatha, open your jaws, and for ra, give tawassut. Whenever there is tawassut, whenever there you find lin umar, lam, noon, ain, mim, ra. These are the 5 letters. Whenever you find with sukoon, you will give tawassut. Tawassut is a medium flow of sound. You will not stop ra abruptly, but you will give a medium flow of sound. We for kasra, give e sound, and dod is a heavy letter. Wa, circle your lips for wow. For fatha, open your jaw. E, hamza is a very strong and sharp sound which disturbs your eardrum. And for kasra, give e sound. It should disturb your eardrum. If it's not disturbing, then there is a problem. Then the makhraj is not correct. E, for kasra, give e sound. The is 2 counts long. E, the 2 counts long. Qaf is heavy letter. For fatha, open your jaws, and the sound is short. Qa, do, 4 haraka long. Why? Because whenever there is a mud letter, and after mud letter you find hamza, letter hamza, then this natural mud will be stretched to 4 haraka counts long. Qada, for hamza, give a very strong sound, and for fatha, open your jaws and give tawassut on meme. Don't stop meme abruptly. There should be a medium flow of sound. Look, I give a little time to pronounce meme. I don't stop it. Rang, there is gunna. This is ikhfa, and the abbreviation for ikhfa is capital I and K. Ikhfa. Amrang. Whenever you find huruf ikhfa after tanween or nun sakin, you give ikhfa, and ikhfa has, you have to hide the sound of tanween. You are hiding the sound of tanween. Amrang fa. Give hams on fa. For fatha, open your jaws. In, hamza is a strong letter. Give a very sharp sound. And for kasra, give e sound. In. and give gunna on noon. When you are going to touch noon, you give gunna, and gunna is keeping your sound in your nose. And whenever you find noon, a letter noon or letter meme with gunna, you will give with the tashdid, you will give gunna, and that will be a longer gunna. فَإِن, look how long I'm keeping it in my nose. And for fatha, the fatha is very short. Na, gunna is long, but not the fatha. Okay. فَإِن ma 2 counts long. Haraka. Yeah, yeah is a very soft letter. You are lifting your tongue up because this is a tongue letter. You are lifting your tongue up, but you are not touching it with your palate. Yeah, it's very soft letter. This is why the yeah is soft, because you are not touching your tongue with your palate. If you are touching the the tongue with your palate, with your talu, then that is done. Ya will be very strong, and that is not required. This is not recommended. The ya is a very soft letter. Yeah, look, just like mm, whichever whoever burned his tongue, then we are not able to use it. Then we say yeah. Just say that sound. Yeah. Ooh, ooh is 2 counts long, and cough is heavy. Circle your lips well. Lu, short sound. And for dhamma, circle your lips. Yeah is short sound. Lam is short sound, and only who is long. Yaqulu. La is short. Who, 2 counts long. Circle your lips for dhamma. Circle your lips well. And there is ikhfa. Whenever you find ikhfa letters after noon sakin ya tanween or tanween, you will hide the sound of noon sakin or tanween. So you are hiding here the noon here, kung, and you're going towards the makhraj of fa, and you're keeping your sound in your nose. Whenever you are giving ikhfa, the must thing is gunna. You are keeping the sound in your nose very clearly. Kung, fa. Fa is short. Give hums. Ya, short. And very soft. Keep in your mind. The ya is a very soft sound, letter. Fayakun. Mad arid lissakun will give this sound for haraka long, because you find you will give imaginary sukoon at the end, and when you will find mud letter before it, you will stretch it for harka long now. Fayakun, and get the wasit when, because you find noon with sukoon. Whenever lin umar, lam, noon, ain, mim, ra, these are the 5 letters. Whenever it comes with sukoon, they get tawassut, and tawassut is a medium flow of sound. وقال الذين لا يعلمون لولا يكلمنا الله أو تأتينا آية. For vowel, circle your lips. For fatha, open your jaws. Qa, 2 counts long, and and qaf is a heavy letter. وقال. For lam, and this lam is attached with lam. And for fatha, open your jaws, but the sound is very short. Lal, la. For fatha, open your jaws and give a very short sound. The, 2 counts long, and make sure you keep your tongue on tip of your tongue under the 2 frontal teeth to make the sound of dal. The, na is short. La, 2 counts long. Why? Because the combination of alif, and before alif you find fatha. This is a combination to make any letter long, to haraka long. La, ya. For ya, very soft. Ya is very soft letter. Ain, for ain, give the wasut, and ain should be from your throat very clearly. Ya, and we will give tawassut. Tawassut is medium flow of sound. It should flow for a little time. Yeah. yeah. La is short. Mu, 2 counts long. And for dhamma, circle your lips. Na, short sound. La. Look, if you'll give a very precise counting to the letters, your qira'ah will be beautiful and perfect, inshallah. Look, la, ya, la, mu, na, low. This is lean. Whenever you find a letter ya or letter wow with and you find fatha before these letters, these two letters, you will pronounce them very softly. You will give a very sufficient time on your fatha. La, la, and now you will attach it with wow, low. Give fatha first, low, and give oo sound at the last sound. Low, la, 2 counts long. You, very soft letter. Ya is a very soft letter. For dhamma, circle your lips. You, kaf is a light letter and it is attached with lam. For kasra, give e sound. Kalli, li, mu. Circle your lips for dhamma and give a short sound. Nallahu, keep noon light, but lafz jalala is heavy here because you find fatha before it. Look, this is fatha before Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name. So we are making Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name heavy here. Nallahu for dhamma, circle your lips. Ow, again there is lean. Lean and lean letters should be said very softly. And how you will make it soft? Give a very sufficient time on your fatha. A, 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 and then add wow. Ow. There is a little trick, like there is a hamza very sharp sound, and then for fatha you're giving little more time and you are attaching it with wow. Ow, ow, that for fatha, open your jaws, and whenever any letter is attached with hamza, it is a very strong shidda over there. So shiddat will be there. T, 2 counts long. Why? The combination of ya with kasra. Yes. So you are stretching it 2 counts long. T, na, 4 counts long. Why? Because you find mud letter. Look, there is mud letter, alif with fatha. This is the combination. And when you find hamza after it, then you will stretch it 4 haraka long now. Tina, 2 counts long. Yeah. Now this ya is attached with ha because you are giving sukoon. And what is the rule of giving sukoon on ta marbuta? This circle ta, you change it into ha. You will remove these 2 dots, you will remove these dhammatain, and you will give sukoon. What is left? Ha. Ayah. Aw ta'tina ayah. كذلك قال الذين من قبلهم مثل قولهم. Short. The 2 counts long. Kaf is light letter. Dal, you have to put your tip of your tongue on the upper at the edge of upper 2 teeth. The li is short. Make sure you give a right length to the letters. It is a 50% tajweed, subhanallah. كذلك is soft letter. Qaf is heavy letter, and give 2 haraka long sound. Qalal, attach lam with lam. Qalal, la is short. The 2 counts long. The combination of ya with kasra. The na is short. Min ikhfa, and that is a heavy ikhfa because you find heavy letter of ikhfa here. So you are hiding the sound of noon, going towards the makhraj of qaf, and keeping your sound in your nose. These are the steps of ikhfa. Min qabil, for qaf is heavy. For fatha, open your jaws, and you are giving qalqala on ba, why qutubu jaddin are 5 letters. Whenever it comes with sakoon, you will give them qalqala, and qalqala is cutting off the sound of your makhraj very clearly and then giving a tabaud, and that is you're opening this makhraj, and that creates qalqala. Qab, li is short. Him, for kasra give e sound, and that then this ha is attached with meme. This is idgham shafawi, so this meme is has merged into meme. Him, you are giving gunna, clear gunna, and this is the longer gunna. Him, mith, meme is for kasra give e sound, and tha will get rukhawa. Rukhawa is the flow of sound. Mithla, la is short. Qaw, again there is what lean letters. Whenever you will find wow or ya, letter wow or ya, so wow sakina and wow sakina. Before that you find fatha, you will give a very soft sound. And how you create it? You give a sufficient time on fatha, qa, qa, qaw, and keep qaf heavy because this is heavy letter. Qaw, and give ow sound at the end. Qawli, him, li is short, and give a very light sound of li for kasra, li, him. For kasra, give e sound and then attach it with meme. He, him, and stop your breath, stop your like discontinue your breath, discontinue your sound, because there is waqf lazim. You have to stop here. This is the sign where you have to stop. You cannot continue because it can change the meaning if you will continue the qira'ah. So stop over here. قَوْلِهِمْ تشابهت قلوبهم قد بينا الآيات لقوم يوقنون. The short, very sharp sound, and for fatha, open your jaws. Sha, 2 counts long. Tashabah, ba short. Hat, for fatha, open your jaws, and ha is not ha. This is not hat, it's hat, ha. It's a flow of sound, ha. Hat, and ta has hums, flow of breath. Hat, tashabahat, qu, of for dhamma, circle your lips. Qulu, 2 counts long. Qulu, bu, circle your lips for dhamma. For whom, circle your lips for ha. But as you touch meme, your lips should be in a normal position. Otherwise, meme will get the matu. That is wrong. Qulubuhum, and give tawassut on meme. Tawassut is a medium flow of sound. Don't stop meme abruptly. Don't say hum. No, don't stop. It goes on. Hum. Qad, qaf fatha, open your jaws. Qaf is a heavy letter, and give the qalqala on dal. Qad bayyan, ba is attached with ya, and ya will get number. Number is a what? Is a jump of sound. Whenever you find wow or ya, letter wow or ya with tashdid, waqfan or waslan, even if you stop here or you continue your qira'ah, this will get what? Number. And number is a jump of sound. Bay. Can you feel the jump when you are attaching ba with ya? This is the time where you give nabar, and nabar is a jump of sound. Bay. Yan, and then ya is attached with noon, and noon will get gunna. Why? Because whenever you find letter meme or noon with tashdid, you will give gunna, and gunna is keeping your sound in your nose, and that is a longer gunna. Give a longer time. Bay, give nabar, and then yan, give gunna here. Then this noon is attached with lam, so this long vowel will be dropped. Nal, two counts long. Hamza is a sharp, very uh, pointy sound, which disturbs your eardrum. Yes, yes. Did you feel? Yeah, two counts long. Yeah, t is short, li short, lean. Whenever you find harfi ya or and wow with sukoon, and you find fatha before these two letters, then you will give lean, and lean has to be very soft. You are giving a longer time on fatha. Qaw. Qaf is a heavy letter. Give heaviness in qaf. Qaw. Me. Me. This is idgham. Idgham is keeping your sound in your nose, and you're merging this tanmeen into ya. Me. You. Two counts long. Qi. Qi. Um, Cough is heavy, but heaviness is light over here. Qi, noon. This is mad arad li sukoon. Whenever you give sukoon at the last letter because of waqf, and you find harf mad before it, then it is 4 haraka long now. And this is called mad arid للسكون لقوم يوقنون. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك أشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت أستغفرك وأتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.